Hey, it's Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. Today, I'm showing off a Mac app called Shift. This is a productivity app designed to streamline your workflow by bringing together multiple apps and services to use in one place. In this video, we'll be using my workflow for creating a screencast video, which includes the use of Mail, Slack, Airtable, Apple Photos, and Dropbox, just to show what it can do. The app can be downloaded at tryshift.com. There's a 7-day free trial available. To access it, you'll first have to sign into the app, which we'll cover momentarily. Then, contact their support at tryshift.com using the chat app. They ask for the account email used to sign up, then apply the 7-day free trial. After a week, the app can still be used in a limited capacity, with access to 2 email accounts and 1 app. Or you can move to an advanced plan for $149 per year. So get the app downloaded and installed, and we'll jump right in. The first step is signing into Shift, and for this, you'll need to already have a Google or Microsoft account. The program uses this as your base account for Shift. We'll use Google for this video, but the process is basically the same for Microsoft, and if you want to add both accounts, that can be done later. Now, to be fully transparent, I don't use Gmail or Chrome. I'm understandably nestled in the Apple ecosystem. If you do use Chrome, Shift will have used the streamlined setup feature to import your bookmarks and settings into the app, a feature that's not available with Safari for some reason. Looking to their support page examples, the app will automatically prompt you to install extensions for websites like GitHub, Facebook, LinkedIn, and any other compatible websites that can be used with Shift. You need to agree to the privacy policy, then continue with Google. Grant access to your email, Drive, and Calendar to get full access to these features. So, let's look at what this app can do.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.